But the biggest way you get yourself in trouble today is if you decide to go out and try to brave it yourself. Then we've got to go get tow trucks out there to get you out of snowbanks, and it's very, very dangerous and slippery out there. So please refrain from doing that if you can. If you do, this whole thing will be over by late this evening in the north, by early this evening in the south, and then we're looking for good weather tomorrow. Clear weather, sunny weather, which will help to begin to melt some of the snow, and in fact give us an opportunity to get everything cleaned up so that we can be ready by Monday.